Good morning, and welcome to the M.E.D.C.F Emergency Dispatch Center facility. This transit system is designed by Rider Team 331, the M.E.D.C.F Emergency Dispatch Center personnel. This tram is inbound from Number City Station 1, 2, 4 to main facilities. Seriously, everyone is numberless and real. I can't believe we're to work here. You really are a luxeater, AG. Now arriving at 4-2 facilities. Now arriving at 4-4 mall. Now arriving at 4-5 reactor copter car. Now arriving at Sector F office complex. Now arriving at Sector F hotel areas. Now arriving at Number City Station. Please keep your legs inside the tram at all times. Do not attempt to open the doors until the tram has come to a complete halt at the station platform. In the event of the emergency, passengers remain seated and wait further instruction, and if it's an passenger should be evacuated first. Please stay away from the electrified rails and proceed to the emergency stations until assistance arrives. Due to the high toxicity of material routinely handled within the M.E.D.C.F Emergency Dispatch Center facility, no smoking, farting, eating or drinking with a transit system. Line 13 is smelling or handling off toxicity of material. He will smash a smoking or any toxicity of material. Please stand back for the automatic door until it's fully open before exiting the tram. Be sure to check your area for personal belongings. Thank you, and have a very safe and productive day.